Thank you po for inviting me here or allowing me to perform before you tonight. So my first song po is a personal favorite, a song from the musical Funny Girl. This is the song that I sang, which gave me a standing ovation from Mr. David Foster, and which made him press the golden buzzer in the 2019 Asia's Got Talent a few months ago. And this song is about pushing harder and allowing oneself to continue working on something one believes is the best for her. When nobody and nothing can stop someone from doing what he thinks, and that is what makes you achieve your dreams. And I hope you like my cover of Barbra Streisand's Don't Rain on My Parade. Don't tell me not to live, just sit and butter. Life's candy and sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a clown to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me, not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band down, I'll be my drum. And if I band down, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drama. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live it now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, everybody, here I am. I'll march my band down. I'll beat my drum. And if I band down, don't turn at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer.